Just going to do a quick review of the underhood light I bought. So I bought a MotoMaster under the hood light. So it's basically like a 4-foot light. It goes under the hood of your car when you're working on it. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like out of the package and let you know what I think about it. Okay, I'm going to open it up and let's get to it. So here it is out of the package. So basically it's the LED light. It's actually a decent quality and I got it on sale, so I'm quite happy. It's a decent quality light. It's an LED light. It comes with rechargeable batteries. Comes with the charger. Comes with instructions, and that's pretty much it. So the one thing I did notice though is the charger is a USB charger, and the only thing I don't like about that is I just don't happen to have USB chargers hanging around in my garage. So, but I will now. I'll just have to grab one and put it in here, and that's what I'll be charging it with. But the light, in essence, overall is decent quality. I'll turn it on so you guys can see it had a little bit of a charge on it. So you can see it has a couple different settings. So it has a low setting, a higher setting, a flashing red setting. Right now it's on the hood of my car, so you can actually see how long it is. I'll try and get back and show you guys. But basically, that's the hood of my Vet. It's almost the width of my Vet, but not quite it. But I'm going to show you guys how the end comes off and how you attach it and hang it off your car. One of the ends, this end, has a magnetic end on it, so which is okay. The other end, the other end does as well. So they both have magnetic ends on it. They have hooks on it on each end. So that way you can hang it on the side of the car. And basically this just screws off. Okay, so you got a power button on each side. So there's one on this side as well as one on the other side. And they both work. I tried them, but I don't want to flash the camera. But then on the one side, you have the power, and then you have the USB charger, which is basically like an Android charger. And it's the thin one that goes in there. So you put that in there, but basically what you do is on the end of these, you got the two magnets, you got the hook, you unscrew this latch, and that pulls out, and there's a bungee cord. So basically a bungee cord on it. So you hook these on the side of your car, and then the bungee cord will pull it tight against the side of your car. And then when you're done with it, you basically put it back in there. It's just a hole it kind of winds in. You just kind of feed it all in, get it all back, and then screw it back on. So that's it. Both ends do the same thing. Only one end has a USB charger. But that's it. That's pretty much it. It's a decent light for what it is. Got on sale for $29. Think I'll be quite happy with it. It'll help me through everything I need. Anyways, just in case you were looking at one, that's what mine's like. Okay. Hope this helps you out. Take care.